Do you guys have an ESP32-S3 camera and you want to get it working like this? Well, if you do, then you came to the right place. Let's jump right in. First, you want to plug your ESP32-S3 camera into the USB UART, not the OTG. Then you guys want to have the same tools as me, so USB CDC is disabled, and flash mode is QIO, and then the flash size is 16 unless yours is different, and then the PS RAM is OPPS RAM, and then the upload speed is 921,600. So you need to have this code. So to get to this code, you need to install the ESP32 board. So as you can see, I've already installed it. It must be from Expressive Systems. And then you go File, Examples, ESP32, Camera, and CameraWebServer. Once this loads, you need to change your SSID and password to your SSID and password. And once you've done that, then go to board_config. At default, it's set to camera_module_ESP_I. If you're doing this tutorial with an ESP32-S3 camera from FreeNova, then you want to uncomment camera module_ESP32-S3_I. And once you've done that, upload the code. Once you've uploaded the code, go to the serial monitor and reset your ESP32-S3 camera. Once you've done that, you'll get a web link. Copy that web link and paste it in your browser. And there you go. Your ESP32-S3 camera is finally working. You can play around with the settings to get cool things like this. Or this. If this doesn't work, then try switch the OTG USB port and then it should work. If this still doesn't work, then please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.